This video is for those people who have back problems or who frequently have back problems where the spine gets misaligned and stuff. I got a series of exercises that will strengthen your back and prevent that from happening again. Or if you're currently having a back problem where you can barely walk, you're limping, this will help you out as well. And I know for a fact that this does work. My mom tried it, my dad tried it, a few of my uncles have tried this. My uncle was the one that discovered this first. He hurt his back at work and he could barely get up from bed the next morning. He was kind of limping sideways. He went to a few chiropractors. They were adjusting him and stuff. It would help for a little bit, but come back the next day or two. So he came across an exercise method of how to strengthen your back to self-resolve back problems. And he started doing these exercises, and within 2 weeks, he was back on his feet and walking normally like a normal human being again. This is a few different exercises with multiple sets, and now I will demonstrate to you how to do this to fix your own back. Okay, so this first one is more like a stretch, and you're going to be doing this every time between every set. There's a total of 6 sets. So the first thing you want to do is lay down flat on your back. And before I forget, I also should mention that when my uncle started doing this, he couldn't even do half of these exercises. He could only do them like halfway because his back hurt so much. But with every day, with progression, it got better and better until he could do the whole thing all in one set. So if you're going to do this and you can't do it completely, it's okay. Just keep working at it, increase the reps as you go on, and things will get better. So without further ado, let's begin. So you begin with going flat on your back, and this stretch you're going to do in between every set. So to begin all the sets, the very first thing you do is lift your knees up like this, put them to one side, and with your hands, go to the other side like this. Almost like a diagonal position. And then you count to 15. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you count to 15. I'm not going to count to 15 every time because you're going to turn me off well before I'll be done with this. Then you go back, flatten your back, and you go the other way, diagonal this way. And make sure you feel a stretch in your back. This is the best stretch you can ever do for your back. This is vital for all the exercises. Once again, you count to 15 on this one as well. And then you go back to the flat position. And the very first set you're going to do is lift your left foot about 3 inches off the ground and hold it there. And try to pull it forward. And you count to also 15 seconds. I won't count to 15 seconds, but there's that foot, and then you lift the other foot, and once again lift it up about 3 inches and pull it forward for also 15 seconds. After you're done with that, you put that foot down. And once again, between every single set, you're going to be doing this stretch. So you lift your arms forward, go to one direction, and put your knees the other way. And stretch for 15 seconds. And then you stretch the other way, once again, for 15 seconds. For the second set, you will lift your neck up, put your legs down, and lift your neck up so you can feel a nice stretch in your upper back. Stretch it good, and once again, you count to 15 seconds. After you've done that, you do the crisscross again, 15, 15 on both sides. And for set 3, you will do cross crunches while you're lifting your legs. So for example, you will go like this, put the leg all the way down, lift your other leg, basically knee to elbow, crisscross. And you do 15 of these. And then once again, you do the stretches this way, and then this way, and then for set 4, you will be rolling on your back. This is my favorite one. You really get the blood flowing through your back by doing this. And what you got to do that is grab your knees and just kind of start rocking until you start rolling on your back. And then just do this for like a good 15-20 seconds. Try to curl up as much as you can so your back is arched, so you actually roll on your back like a ball and not like a plank where you just kind of flop down like that. That's not how you want to do it. So you roll around like that. After that, you do the stretch once again. Don't forget, between every single set, you're going to be doing this stretch. This is the most important part. For set 5, we're going to be doing the well-known bicycle. So you lay flat on your back, and then you do the bicycle, not up here. That's easy. You do the bicycle lower, like over here towards the floor. Once again, you just count to 15 seconds, and you should be good. If this is too hard for you, then you could go a little higher until your abs strengthen a little bit and you could do it lower. Do that for 15 seconds and you're done with that set. And then you do the stretch both ways once again, this way and that way. And for the sixth and final step, you will be doing the airplane stretch, which is pretty easy. All you gotta do is go on your hands and knees. You lift one arm, and then you lift the opposite leg, like that. You hold that for 15 seconds, and try to stretch them out both your arm that way and your leg that way, so you can feel a stretch. You hold that for 15 seconds. If you can't hold it for 15 seconds, it's okay, do what you can. Then you put it down, then you do the other side, also 15 seconds. And then once again, after you're done doing that, don't forget to do the stretch both ways, 15 seconds this way, and 15 seconds this way, and you are done. And those are all the exercises you need to do to fix your own back. And man, I tell you, I've tried this myself, and I know a lot of people that have tried this, and this really does help. Even if you have backaches or your back is just always stiff, this will help you out. Do this. I mean, it costs you nothing. This is totally free. All you have to do is just do it. And just like with any exercises, if you haven't worked out for a while, do be prepared that after your first day or two or a couple days, you will be sore a little bit. So maybe let your body heal up a little bit before you continue. But optimally, you should be doing this twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening. If you can't do that, then at least do it once a day. And if you do that, you will be seeing results relatively quick. This method is totally awesome, very simple to do, and works very fast. So make sure you share this video with anybody you know that has back problems, because there's a good chance this will be the answer that they were looking for. And if you have any success stories of how this helped you, we would love to hear about them in the comments below. Don't forget to mash that like button. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you next time.